Grandma and Papa. Go ahead and open it up. Come on, Nathaniel. Come help. Come help, Nathan.
Go.
Thank you. Come help. Come help open. Thank you. Thank you. What's that? Is it a new book?
No book.
Okay, what else is in there?
We'll put that away before.
Good.
Move that way a little bit.
What else is in there? Nathan, come help.
Go, Nathan, go. Come on. Stay right there, stay right there.
What's that? Let me see.
What is it?
What is that? Spoons. Ice cream spoons. For Daddy? Is it for Daddy?
You have it.
Let me see. Hold on.
Okay, Daddy.
It's taped closed.
There's more inside the
We'll
bag.
open it later. Go get more out of the bag. We'll open it later. Nathaniel, what are you doing? What's that? Reading Rainbow.
Open it.
Not yet. Reading Rainbow.
There's some more inside, Gabriel. It's heavy, huh? What else is inside? Give that to Daddy.
Nathaniel, come help. Oh, you already got that one. Next. Lots of paper, huh?
Mama, lots of paper, Mama. What is that?
More paper.
Paper? What's the paper?
My goodness.
Nathan, go.
You don't have to pull it out one piece at a time. Whoa, what's that?
Papa. Pop.
Whoa.
There's something else. There's.
It's a basketball.
Basketball. What's a basketball?
There's something
Okay,
else.
look what else is in here first. Then we can go play basketball. That's a big basketball.
Big basketball, Mommy.
And who's it? It's for both you and Nathan, right?
There we go. That brought Nathan.
What is it?
Football.
A football. A football.
Show me, show me. Show me. Say thank you, Grandma and Papa. Over here. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Show me the football.
Muhammad.
Say happy.
Muhammad.
Your helmet?
Yeah.
We'll have to get you a helmet. Okay.
Okay, say bye, face. Bye-bye. You gonna go play?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say thank